Hello viewers, welcome back to my YouTube channel Elegance of Zoya. I hope so all of you are fine and doing very well. So viewers, today I am here with amazing collection and beautiful style of outfit. So viewers, this type of outfit was a master class in elegance with a sleek black three-piece and many other suits. So viewers, this type of dressing pattern fit impeccably, accentuating the very broad shoulders and slim waist. The matching trouser and colorful trouser dress shoes which added a touch of sophistication to the overall ensemble. A crisp white dress shirt complete with a stiff collar and French cuff added a hint of classic charm, while the so we were this type of beautiful dressing with intricate stitching and a tailored fit that accentuated the various physique. So this type of fabric was rich and luxurious with a tropical sheen that caught the light. The ripples were wide up pointed, framing the face and drawing the eye upwards. So weavers these sleeves were long and learned with a slight taper at the cuff, adding a touch of elegance to the overall look. So we were this type of beautiful dressing was a perfect complement to the jacket with the streamlined cut that elongates the leg. So we were this fabric was the same rich wool as the jacket with the subtle texture that added depth and interest. So these pleats were precise and sharp, creating a crisp line from waist to ankle. The cuffs were narrow and plain, finishing the trouser with a touch of understand sophistication. So viewers, I hope so you like this type of collection. So Viva, I hope so you like this type of collection. So basically, Viva, this type of frog was a vegan in white with a stiff collar and French cuff that adding a touch of classic charm. The fabric was crisp and smooth with a subtle sheen that caught the light. So their sleeves and sleeveless were long and slim with a slide gathering at the cuff, adding a touch of elegance to the overall look. So Viva, I hope so you like this type of beautiful collection of frock. Basically, frock is a unique and outstanding look. When you wear this type of frocks, this type of outfit, you look like amazing and enhance your personality and so viewer, I hope so you like this type of collection. So go and subscribe my channel and don't forget to share with your friends, your family members and your relatives. So stay connected, stay tuned. अल्लाह हाफिज़ व्यूवर्स, अपना बहुत सारा ख्याल रखिएगा और दुआ में याद रखिएगा और मेरे चैनल को ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा सब्सक्राइब करें. बाय बाय, टेक केयर, खुदा हाफिज़.